Big tag match featuring the War Raiders. Eric and Penta able to escape. Hirotatsu run for battle. For a second, looked like Reed was going for that Death Valley driver, the jagged end. Penta was able to counter now. Reed with Penta on his shoulders. Oh! Stabber by Penta for the victory. Does he get him here? 2. Stick counter by Penta, and Heyman is irate. What a performance by Penta in this match, and now look who is the ruler. Oba Femi up on the apron, Austin Theory.
Is my lineup wrong? This is not the schedule. War Raiders.
With a kick to the face, and now Logan Paul up on the apron as well.
But you can feel the earth tremble beneath.
Pays for it. Referee got caught in the crossfire. Penta with a kick.
Of the bringer of war, the ruler.
The official.
Femi.
I mean, we heard earlier today that Penta going up to the top rope. Free agent Adam Pearce and Nick Aldis working furiously to and takes out Theory and Paul. And well, Eric and
I understand why Penta would do that.
But Femi, because of the look in Femi's eyes.
Bronson Reed unattended in the ring for a moment.
Looking for the Mexican.
Oba introduced himself to the world inside the Royal.
And Bronson Reed into the jagged edge.
And now the War Raiders experiencing him firsthand.
Uh-oh. That, my friends, is the man who eliminated the first 5 people. Reed up top. Soon the Rumble match after entering at number 1, dominating. Well, there's no referee here tonight. Oh! Falls one, no doubt about it, but there's no official. That massive power bomb that is so many opponents in the past led him to an NXT championship. Oh, Reed said, I'm going to do this again.
Bronson Reed just said he's going to.
Well, without an official, I guess.
Well, we were expecting a tag team match.
He wants to do it, including using a steel chair.
Crime scene.
I'll tell you,
and there is no Dragon Lee, there is no Rey Mysterio.
I'm waiting to back with a contract to put his name on it.
Amen in the world.
Hey!
LA Knight's back! On the chair!
I thought he left the building. LA Knight! Attack on the Vision, this time on Big Bronson.
And Logan giving chase, the megastar hightailing it out.
Roman Reigns.
Our officials recovered.
And Heyman is irate, he's screaming at the official.
No time for sentiment in WrestleMania.
He's gonna have a coronary.
TC.
Got a 4. Bronson Reed trying to make
Problems with Cody.
and now eliminating his cousin.
Jacob for 2 was distracted.
Count of 9. Reed can't beat the count.
Tie there, a man who he blames for that. Sneak it. Oh, God.
Wins. Uso trying to eliminate his cousin.
As a result of a countout,
Through the night, right?
That 2 brutal.
is Penta!
What? That was delivered with some malice.
Well, Roman Reigns has
For Paul Heyman and the Vision.
lorded it over Jey Uso.
He eliminates Jey. And thanks again. And a spear by Reigns.
a night.
To his feet. Gunther eliminated. Roman Reigns.